Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix the MySQL unable to start issue in XAMPP server. You need to follow these 4 steps to fix the issue. First, if your XAMPP server is already running, stop and quit from XAMPP server. So I will quit from here. Then find XAMPP server installation folder and then go to the MySQL folder. So I will show you. Generally, in C drive, you will find the XAMPP installation folder. And now go to the MySQL folder. Here you will find backup and data folder. Just copy the backup folder files, and you don't need to copy this IB data one. Keep in mind, don't copy this IB data one. If you will copy, you will lose all the tables, whatever you created. So just copy this except IB data one and paste in data folder. Once you paste, again turn on the XAMPP server and you will not get the error for turning on the MySQL. That's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel.